Welcome to this comprehensive project management Google Sheet tutorial brought to you by the Template Shop. In this session, we will explore the 7 tabs that make up this powerful tool, from project setup to detailed task management and insightful dashboards. This sheet is designed to streamline your project workflow and enhance collaboration. So let's dive in and maximize the potential of your project management. As usual, before we start using any sheet of our making, the first thing is you need to do is to do the setup. So here in this column, you list the project, the different project names that you're working on. In this column, you're going to list the project members. In this column, you're going to list the different statuses that you're going to use to update your different tasks, and here you're going to list the different keys, and this will make sense as we move forward in this tutorial. So let's add, for example, here the postponed key, and in order to assign an icon here for this key, you will have to click on insert image and insert image in a cell, and then from here you can add any icon. For example, I'm going to choose this random icon for this key. And here you list the different months, different years, and the notes type. These are the types that you will use in the notes tab here. Okay, so after the setup here, there is the dashboard. So this dashboard is a very useful tool here. So first of all, it has a quick access to the following tabs: the project timeline, daily tasks, weekly schedule, monthly planner, and notes, along with the navigation bar here, because here every sentence here can navigate you to the tab as well. And here you will find some graphs, and these graphs will adjust as you change the filter here. If you want to choose a member to monitor his progress, or you want to choose all members to have the overall progress and types of, well, whether it is a task, a subtask, or a project. This will make sense when as we move on forward in this tutorial. The members workload here, who has the not started task that didn't start, delayed, ongoing, and completed tasks. And here the project's progress in days. So we have been in this project, the website release is there is an 89 days remaining, and I've always sorry we have been working for 89 days now in this project, and so on. And here is today's date and some announcements here that you're going to use to announce this to the team, because apparently this sheet, or basically this sheet, is designed where you have to share it with all the project members. So you're going to use this space to do announcements to the team, and so anyone opens this sheet will find announcement here. And the urgent attention here for tasks that needs the, immediate attention from any team member. You just the poster here is going to do the post here and write the details and the date, and so everyone in your team will be able to see these tasks. Next, the project timeline here is the actual business. Here the board here is very comprehensive, let's say, let's put it in that way. So first you're going to type the project name here, and then you will find the project is divided into several tasks like that, and then this is a new project here, and each task is divided into a set of subtasks. So you do the assignings, you assign the whole project to one person, and then assign certain tasks to one person, and then go on with assigning subtasks to different members, start date and deadline, and the sheet is going to give you the automatic calculation, the project duration, the days past, the overdue, the timeline progress, and the status here, whether it is delayed or completed or so whatever here. So there is here a planned schedule as well. So let's say here I'm going to add the activity be awesome, and I will assign it to the lucky Steven Wedges, and I'm going to make the start date today, and the deadline is after, let's say, 16 days. Sorry. And so here you will find that automatically the planned schedule is going to expand until the 15th of December. So I get here to write in this shaded area, in this lighter brown area, you can write different tasks, or so you have the subtask, and you can even distribute many tasks here for or to make a simple to do here. So be awesome, I'll do here I eat well, train, have fun, enjoy, and so on. So what I'm telling you here is that you can write or use this schedule to write more mini tasks for this subtask, okay? And you can do this to the whole projects, or to every project that that is here on your table here, okay? Next, the daily tasks here. So here you will find the daily tasks, or the tasks that you need to do daily, and the keys here are going to appear. So for example, here I added the postponed. When I choose the postponed, the new random icon that I chose in the setup is going to appear here to make it easier for my eye to distinguish between the different keys or the different tasks. You type the activity, the time in, the time out, the total hours, and the status for each key. And here there is a Kanban board where you will find the planned listed here, the in progress listed here, the for review listed here, the completed are listed here, and this is with respect to what statuses you have given to each task that is listed in your table here. Next, the weekly schedule here. This is where you are going to schedule your week actually. So here you are going to type to categorize with the priority for each task. So first you're going to tell the sheet the time, the intervals. So these are the intervals. So I made it every 15 minutes. So it's the time is going to start at 8 a.m. and then 15, 8:30, and so on. If I change the intervals to 60, so it's an 8, 9, 10, and so on. But my default is will always be 15 minutes. So and here and then I need to tell the sheet where do I want the week to start on, because this is a 1 week schedule. So let's say I'm going to make this start on the 3rd of December. So my sheet will start on the 3rd of December here. And then I will list the different tasks here. If I tick on the checkbox here, the task is going to cross, and I can add task in any one here. Let's say drive safe here, and I'll make it a normal priority. And as you see here, because this is the first task that in the week that is not finished, it's going to be added here in the upcoming schedule. And the next task is the 3rd of December at 9:30. I have to do the project initiation here. When I do it and when this task is done like that, it's going to disappear from the upcoming schedule and will tell me that first I need to drive safe and then do the development on Tuesday because I don't have any tasks on Monday, and it is on the 8 a.m. So very handy tool and very smart. Next, the monthly planner here, where I get to find all my tasks listed in the throughout the month here. So as you see, you choose the year. When does the week start? If I choose Sunday, the week here will start on Sunday. If I choose Monday, the week here will start on Monday, and the days will be distributed accordingly. And then I choose the month. If I choose, for example, November here, these are the to-do tasks, things that I need to do in November. If I choose March here, these are the tasks that I need to do in March. Let's say January, this will be the things that I need to do. And then, of course, manually, we're going to fill in the task for the month that we choose. And then we tick here the things that we complete, and it's going to be crossed away. Of course, you can duplicate this tab if you want to use it again, or if you want to keep the data that or the agenda that, oh, sorry, or the task that you distributed throughout the month. You can just click on right click here and click on duplicate, and you will have a nice and neat and new monthly planner here that you can rename it with any month that you like. Finally, the notes here. This is a free part where you type your notes, and here you can choose from the drop down list that you have already that you already did the setup before in the setup in the first step, and you here you type the deadline and the details. Okay, and finally you will find these charts updating automatically as you update your project management sheet. And so as we conclude this tutorial on the project management Google Sheet, you have gained valuable insights into each tab's unique functionality, empowering you to manage projects seamlessly. The Template Shop's Google Sheet is your ultimate solution for efficient and organized project management. Customize it to fit your team's specific needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to uh, uh, check other products that is on our website on the template shop. Happy project management and enjoy this sheet.